Hello, dear baking friends. Welcome to Happy Tunes and Learning channel. It's going to be delicious today. Because today we're baking delicious muffins together. These are small, sweet cakes that fit perfectly in your hand, and you'll also learn a few interesting facts about muffins. Are you ready? Okay, then wash your hands and let's go. Before we get started, we need our ingredients, of course. Please check that you have all the ingredients before you start. If something is missing, you can press pause and get the missing ingredient. Okay, here you can see what we need for our muffins. These are 200 grams of flour, 100 grams of sugar, 1 egg, 80 milliliters of oil, 150 milliliters of milk, 1 sachet vanilla sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, a pinch of salt, and if you like, some delicious chocolate chips or blueberries. So first we mix the dry ingredients. Put the flour, sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt in a large bowl. Stir everything together well. This will be our base for the muffins. Now it's time for the liquid ingredients. Take a second bowl and add the egg, oil, and milk. Then mix everything together, preferably with a whisk, until it is well combined. Now it's getting exciting, because now we add the liquid ingredients to the dry ingredients in the bowl. Stir everything carefully until the batter is nice and smooth, but don't stir for too long. Muffin batter likes to be mixed only briefly. By the way, muffins are particularly popular in the USA. There they come in many different flavors, from fruit or nuts to spices and chocolate. There are several hundred different options, so there really is something for every taste. Simply delicious. Now you can add chocolate chips, blueberries, cinnamon, carrots, nuts, or whatever you like to the batter. Last week, for example, I added a few pears and decorated the muffins with marzipan sprinkles at the end. But today I just fancy chocolate chips. Now we need our muffin tin. If you have paper cases, you can simply place them in the tin to make it easier to remove the muffins from the tin after baking. If you don't have paper cases, you should grease your muffin tin well with butter so that nothing sticks. Now fill the batter into the molds with a spoon, but only up to halfway so that they rise nicely. Time for the oven. We preheat it to 180 degrees and then let the muffins bake for about 20 minutes. While we wait, you can look forward to the delicious aroma. Ooh, take a whiff, it's going to be delicious. And now that 20 minutes have passed, the muffins should already be ready. Let's see, okay, the muffins look great and they smell fantastic. After baking, leave the muffins to cool briefly. They are very hot, so be careful. It's best to leave them to stand for a few minutes before carefully removing them from the tin. Now you can try your muffins. Yummy, isn't it? Did you know that muffins also make great little gifts? Just tie a pretty ribbon around the muffin and you've got a sweet surprise. I hope you had fun baking. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye and bon appétit.